One of the news that took everyone by surprise was the news of Ritvik Arora, who was seen in Star Plus popular drama Ye Rishte Hain Pyar Ke being ousted from the show due to alleged unprofessional behavior and poor work ethics. The actor has been replaced by Avinash Mishra, who will henceforth be seen as Kunal Rajvansh in the show. Glitz Vision USA recently caught up with Avinash Mishra for a quick exclusive chat to find out what made him say yes to the show, working with Shahir Sheikh, his take on the trolls, and more. During our conversation, Avinash revealed when he got the call from the makers of Ye Rishte Hain Pyar Ke, he was in his hometown. He further elaborated, they asked me if I am free and then gave me a narration of the character they wanted me to play. After listening to the narration, I realized that the character of Kunal Rajvansh, which is also very popular among the viewers, has several layers to it. And as an actor, you always want to do such roles. So that's how I ended up saying yes to the show. When asked about his thoughts on replacing Ritvik and his preparations for the role of Kunal Rajvansh, the actor said, as an actor, one should never think that he or she is replacing another actor. For me, Kunal Rajvansh is a new role and Ye Rishte Hain Pyar Ke is a new show. Everyone has their own unique way of approaching a particular character and performing him, her on screen. Of course, you have to retain the basic characteristics of the character, but I also believe that you should bring something of your own to the character as well. I have never watched Ye Rishte Hain Pyar Ke before. But now, to understand my character and get a better sense of it, I'm actually going through all the previous episodes of the show. Although Avinash was mindful of the criticism and online trolls that would follow after he stepped into the role of Kunal Rajvansh, which was played by Ritvik Arora pre-lockdown, the actor maintains, comparison and online trollings are bound to happen. But as an actor, it's not my job to think about that stuff. My job is only to perform and justify my character to the best of my ability. Every devoted Ye Rishte Hain Pyar Ke fan knows that one of the strongest aspects of the show is the Rajvansh brothers' bromance. For many, the Abir and Kunal, also known as Abhinal scenes, are something that they look forward to, sometimes more than Mishbeed and Kuku scenes. So when asked how it has been working with Shahir Sheikh, who is Abir Rajvansh, Kunal's elder brother in the show, the Ye Teri Galiyan actor said, chemistry is a natural and slow process, but Shahir Bhai and I have already started building the bromance, which is great. Shahir Bhai is extremely helpful when it comes to our scenes. I have shot approximately 5 to 6 scenes with him, and that's what things are going very smooth. Avinash is all praises for the cast of Ye Rishte Hain Pyar Ke, especially Kaveri Priyam, who essays his on-screen love interest in the show. It's the sweetest cast I have ever worked with. Everyone gave me a warm welcome and they have been very helpful since I'm a new member of the family. As for Kaveri, working with her has been great. She is always ready to guide me as she has been part of the show for more than a year and understand the requirements of the scenes better. I too don't hesitate to ask her for help. If I'm stuck while reading or performing a scene, I ask her about it and she helps me out. We have shot many no-joke and sweet scenes and the people on our sets are liking our chemistry and therefore I am positive that the audience will love it too. We wish Avinash Mishra all the best. And frankly, we are quite excited to see what he brings to the character of Kunal, his chemistry and camaraderie with Shahir Sheikh and Kaveri Priyam and more. For more news, latest updates and gossips regarding your favorite shows and celebrities, don't forget to subscribe Glitz Vision USA.
Hey guys, this is Vrishika Mehta and you guys are watching me on Glitz Vision USA.